My title is Double Side Bandit.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Who has not played this game before? Because I will explain it then.
Me not.
Me not.
But I will.
Do I need to explain it briefly?
Nah, we got this.
Okay. You're gonna big ball it, AJ. Let's go. Just listen to what they say.
This looks like a game that needs high IQ. I don't like this.
No, you need to be funny. That's even harder for you, Basil.
Oh.
Ragnar's fucking
Yeah.
savage.
Now I get it.
No, I like that. I like that.
I'm getting nervous.
Getting flashbacks to school.
Yeah.
Okay, AJ, so
AJ,
pick that you are
AJ,
going
you
to
got
present
this.
it yourself. You have to present it yourself.
I have to present it myself.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wait, what? Wait.
Yeah, okay, so you should have picked
Oh,
the
you
other
Clicks
one.
on the button, that's, yeah.
They gave me like 0 seconds.
Is it
Okay, Ragnar.
Okay. People, thank you all for coming to my presentation for this wonderful product or
We're happy
thing
to be
that
here.
we are. Yes, thank you. Good. So there's a problem. I want to be in the Took a Nice Shit Hall of Fame. Yeah,
Nice.
It's a problem every man has. Every man wonders if he can be in
Don't
the Took a Nice
gender
Shit
it.
Hall of Fame. Oh,
Yep.
excuse me. Okay, men and women. Yeah, is that better? Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
So, here it is. My thing is called Shit Happens. Yeah? So what you do 100 days of quarantine and 100 days
my
of
God.
Mexican food. When you do that, you will lock your bathroom, so you won't be able to go to the bathroom. And if you have to pee, then you can just pee in the fucking sink or whatever, because every man has done that.
Yes.
And this is how you're gonna look like after 100 days. You have a massive shit and a
Amazing!
massive toilet. Can you imagine how nice it would be to let that massive of a shit out of your asshole?
Oh my
It's
No, I don't think
amazing.
so.
It would be
No.
really amazing.
I can
It would be
Are there
such
any
a relief.
long-term side
much
effects
details
of
right
this?
now.
Yes,
Too much
rectal rupture. But that's the only thing. Thank you.
Okay.
But is it not like is it not thick enough?
I mean, it could be.
Okay. All say we should have stopped having sex. So my
true.
conclusion is no sex, no problem.
What?
This is actually a metal underwear
Oh,
who gives
shit.
you electroshocks when you are
What
in
the-
satisfaction.
It's just okay. Let's show the title first. Proposal. Find someone to propose for
Okay.
you.
Nice.
I mean, just propose. You know. Yeah.
It's just.
But then wouldn't you have a fiance, not a boyfriend?
Let's do an arranged marriage.
Oh, yikes.
Okay. Everywhere I look, I see love around me. Now, this is something that I feel really deeply
Ah,
connected
Laura.
to. This problem
Yeah,
that faces all of us.
Seagull knows
So-
who did this.
We all know that love fucking sucks, and
Yeah,
we hate to see other people happy.
Damn.
I have decided
Go to
to
what side?
create Love Sucks spray, which is just piss in a can that you can spray on the people walking past when they're happily holding hands, getting all lovey-dovey in the theater or wherever you are. Just fucking piss on them.
Can you refill it? Is it?
Yes, we provide free refills. To piss on their happiness to make yourself hate yourself less.
Wait,
Is it economy friendly?
Where did this hatred come from?
That question is too hard to
Maybe
answer
she's
right now.
missing something.
Is it
question?
eco-friendly?
It is eco-friendly. It's all
Wait, what if
natural
you find-
products, all natural ingredients.
What if you find love and someone uses it against you?
Then I will say, good on you.
Even like
Congratulations.
Never happened.
Yo, what's up, people?
Okay, Seagull.
My problem was, I don't know why, there's gotta be a way to make light less boring.
What?
So, I don't know why the guy put this problem, it's not a problem actually, but... Boom! It's a musical cooking light. Okay, I know like...
Musical cooking light.
Yeah, wait, chill. Okay, it's basically you can have the heat source from the light and you can cook. And also, I didn't finish my drawing, but you can. It's like there's a speaker at the edge of the light. Okay, so it's only £50. Can you imagine this, guys? Come on.
Wait.
That's pretty damn affordable.
And the title is Cook and Dance. Exactly. Like, come on.
Nice spelling.
Okay, I know it's wrong because like I'm Arabian and I'm from Syria, so that's why like I can't. It's the first time in the job.
And then, guys, it's my first time. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm not saying anything. It's just you
Idiot.
don't have to say it.
Voila.
Wait, we are talking about the game here, right? Not women, Basil, or...
Baby.
Okay.
I don't get it.
No way.
Oh, bullshit!
No.
Hey,
Fuck's sake.
hey!
What?
Oh,
Powder.
Bad. It deserved it.
Nice.
oh! There you go,
done.
Naomi.
Need to continue.
Whoa!
Holy shit!
Damn!
Oh.
Don't worry. Be happy.
Oh my god.
Seagull speciality.
I don't get it.
Fuck off! Okay, my solution was okay. Vibration
Everyone's
with
solution
love.
was.
Nice.
Okay, it's easy actually. We just have a proper sucker, but like it's vibrate while you're sucking your dick. So it's
Wait,
like,
that's the same as my idea.
it will be a very efficiency and like good. And we don't forget the girls. Okay, you see the other side, right? You can see it. Yeah, it's for the girls section. You can like just switch. The tagline is just
That
vibrate
just
but with
seems
love.
hard.
And don't look for the other part.
Seagull, I have a
Why are
question.
you saying that? You got Kisser, right?
No, fuck off.
Yeah, I will present.
I don't know what I did.
Here. I need an easy. Wait, do you guys know this shit?
What?
Yeah, that shit. Blowjob, guys. Did you ever hear of it?
Yeah, of course.
Self-explanatory.
Masterpiece.
AJ, no, man.
It's so simple, people. It's so simple.
No, AJ, no.
Wait. How much for the single row actually?
Let's go with 30. It's a great price.
Alright, MP play.
Let's get it, MP.
I had a little problem, and the problem was that I had no idea.
Hey! No!
Wunderbar.
So, basically, I literally had no idea.
Wow,
So sad.
amazing.
This is wonderful.
No.
Yes.
So just don't vote, man.
Okay.
Oh.
So, I have come up with Pansy.
Fancy.
Right.
Okay.
So, I come from a country which is quite warm, which means that in every room we have fans, right? Like those electric fans on the ceiling. So I have created a
The fuck
product
is that?
which is
Oh my god.
So, I came up with an invention, and it's called... pliers.
I'm afraid.
It's just some regular pliers. It's not that I need like the money for my family because I'm broke as fuck and I need a new breakthrough. I just want to feed my family. Please help. And it's like never before felt satisfaction with some pliers interaction. Please fund. I need the money. Please help me,
no.
please, or I will be bankrupt and my family will die on the streets. Please, thank you.
Maybe.
My title is Double Side Bandit.
Okay.
Oh my god.
It's for guys and for girls.
No, thank you. No, thank you.
And and it's with like eyes that you can look someone, that you personalize it.
No.
And my title was like with suction and bubble attachment, of course. So like the bubble attachment should be more maybe for the girl side.
And how much does it cost actually, Nami?
It depends on how much you want to rape it, actually.
Oh my god!
What? Can't stop looking at it, Nami.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
See the eyes, I told you.
Aww. God damn it, now my children will die.
Dead.
What? Yep.
Yeah.
Of course.
Nice.
Damn.
The eyes, guys, the eyes.
Congratulations, Nami.
Rigged!